Christmas! I want to thank you for an incredible 2025. By getting to work with you and your friends and your family this year, it has meant the world to me. I love helping people and I love seeing you transform. I love the steps that you take, even when you think that you're having a tough time or you're failing or disappointing me. What I love the most is seeing your growth. I love seeing what you study on your own. I love seeing how hard you work to make the changes that really matter to you in your life. And I'm so very, very, very honored to get to be your doctor. Doctor comes from the Latin that means educator. It does not come from the Latin that means tell you what to do all the time and you don't have any choices. It means help you to have the information that you need to make good decisions. And thank you for choosing me to be part of your village and help you walk forward in 2025 and into the new year. I really look forward to a fantabulous next year, and thank you so much for being part of my journey this year. Merry Christmas.